Hi friends, today in this video we are going to create a website like Facebook. As you can see, this is the website which we are created. Here a user can register and they can upload their profile picture. Like this they can upload their profile picture, and on the next step they can enter their location, country details, and working details and everything. As you are seeing in the video, they can just add their country and they can add their city and they can add their work, education, etc. on this page, and they can click on next step and they can add some friends for their profile, add to their profile, right? As you can see, this is the demo website, so there is not much friends. Okay friends, now this is the timeline of the dashboard of each usage, and you can see this is same as the Facebook interface, and it's totally a clone copy of Facebook. So all the functions in the Facebook have the same functions our website also have, like that. Okay, now there is a chat or messenger option is available, and you can see the settings page here. The users can they can change the settings of their account. They can edit the profile settings and the security settings. They can also change the privacy options like they on the Facebook. They can change all the settings like notifications, funding, verifications, etc. All these things you can done without any programming or technical knowledge. You can create this website without knowing a single piece of coding. You can just create this website, and also it's super fast, and you can just install a script and you have to create a database. That's all. So by the end of this video you can also create a website like this. Okay friends, this is the page section of our website. So I'm just creating a demo page for video. I'm just adding a name, and you can also create pages or the users from our website. They can just create a page and they can add the description for the page. On the backend you can also add some categories like education, whatever you need you can just add on the backend. Okay, this is the default page, so we can add some images. You can add some banner image. As you are seeing in the video, you can add the banner images, and you can upload or customize everything, and you can also invite friends as on the same on the Facebook. You can just invite the friends after creating the pages. On the right hand side you can see the chat options, and we can go to the backend and we can see the changes like this. You can also create groups. You can create groups just typing a name for our Facebook group, so the users can create all these options on the Facebook. So as my opinion or my experience, this script also very good. It does not have any bugs or anything, as I used very fast and clean coding. So in order to get the script, you can get it from the link in the description box below. I will add the link for buying that script. You can just get it from there. You can just install it as you are seeing in the video. Then you can just create your own Facebook, right? This is the marketplace, and you can add the product like on the Facebook, and the user can just see the notifications here. They can see the notifications. They can see the profile pages. On the story section, the users can see the front stories. They can see on the same as on the stories like this. They can see the stories. Then they can see the friend request, and they can see the confirm or decline option. They can choose whatever they need. Okay, right? And the friends page also they can see. The friends can log the profiles, and all these options are available with this script. And We can also upload the photos or whatever the feeling activity. All these options are available on our website, so you can choose any of these option and you can just post anything like this. We can have some emojis are available here, and you can like, share, or you can add your own emojis, etc. here. Then you can choose the comment section, or you can share, and you can tag the people. All options on the Facebook available with this coding, right? Now the people can share the post to page, group, timeline, etc. And they can just share the options. People can comment the option, and the main highlight of this code is it's completely mobile friendly, and it have a mobile app also. Android and iOS app is also available. So in this video I will show you the Android app. This is the splash screen of our Android app. You can customize this splash screen and everything according to your choice, according to your requirements, right? This is the mobile login page of our website. The customer can see the users can use the same as the Facebook app. They can just use the app like this. We can just create this app also on this video. I will show you how to create the app also on this video. And the pages are looking mobile friendly, and we can see the stories like this. The users can see the stories. Yeah, in order to create, first you need a domain and hosting. So first to come to the hostinger.in and check for a domain name, which means your website name. You can just search it on the hostinger and click on add to cart. And you need to buy a hosting plan also. So in order to create this website you need a medium good hosting plan. So just choose the premium web hosting, click on add cart. Here you can just adjust the time length for 1 year, so you will get the domain for free. And premium web hosting you can choose for 12 months, and you can check out with your Google or Facebook account. Once you check out you will get a control panel, so you will get the details of that on your email address. This is your control panel. So just go to the MySQL database section. Here you have to add a database name and a username and password. You can add any name for the database and also for the username and password. So I recommend you to add some strong password and username for your security. Once you added that, just click on create and your database created successfully. Now you just buy the script from the description box below, and then open your file manager on the control panel itself, and you can upload that file on that file manager on your public HTML or the main folder of your hosting. Now just extract that file, and you can just extract the file, and now you can just open the script and you can just move it to the main folder, which means your domain's main folder, which public HTML. As I am using this on my subdomain, so I am using the subdomain's main folder like this. Okay, now just click on move. Okay, now open your main for domain name. Now you can see this is the installation window open, and now just click on agree and next, and make sure all these things are installed on your hosting. That's why I told you to buy a good hosting plan, then only all these things will be installed. If it is not, you can just contact your hosting support. Now add your database details here, and or other details like admin, username, etc. here. Then just click on install and wait for some time to get installed all these things. Now our website is installed, and now you can just customize everything. Now go to this URL as you are seeing in the video. Just go to that admin cp. On that URL, you can just log in with your admin username which you added earlier. Now here you can just customize everything according to your requirements. You can add all the details and you can change the details of everything according to your requirements. You can change the website title, descriptions, etc. All the details you can be changed from here. You can change or enable or disable the modules like pages, groups. If you don't want any module, you can just turn it off. Like this, you can just enable or disable. You can enable the features options and click on save changes. And like that, you can just enable the post settings. You can just customize according to your requirements. You can just enable or disable all these options. You can change the default options and everything. It's super easy, and you can just change according to your requirements. Like this registration settings and social settings, also social login settings also available. You can integrate Google or Facebook account to this website, so customer can log in with their Google or Facebook account. You can also enable that. I already did a video for social login, so you can watch that and you can just integrate according to that here. Okay, and like that, you can enable the email settings. If you want to know this email settings, you can just contact your hosting support and they will assist you to get this username, server, port, etc. All these settings they will help you to get. Now on the SMS settings, you can just enable the MSG91 or whatever SMS settings, you can use that. And all these options are super easy, and you can just enable or disable according to your requirements. On the theme section, you can have a default theme, or if you want to create, you can just add a new theme here. You can just choose any theme here. On the design section, you can just add the logo, home wallpaper, etc. here. You can just add a logo here. You can just add a custom home wallpaper. You can just add it on your website. Once you make any changes, make sure to click on save changes, then only the changes will be take place and you can see it on your live website. You can just click on the save changes once you done any changes. Okay friends, now we can set up the Android setup. In order to install the Android Studio, I also done a video for that. Now you will get a Android source codes also along with this app, so you can just open Android Studio and you can open that source code here and wait for some time to get indexed all the files. Now open on the project and now just open that and just open the file that you are seeing on the video. You can just open the file like this: src main java and sign in configuration, like this. You can open the sign in config and here you can just change your URL to your URL or your domain name. You can add your website name here, address here. And on the resolution section, you can see here you can open the values and click on strings, and you can change your app name, image view, and the string name demo. That demo name you can just change, so you can see it on your splash screen. So you have to change that demo.sengine.com. You can just change it that. Also you can change the app icon here. You can just change the app icon as you are seeing in the video. You can adjust size of the icon. Click on next, click on finish. Once you have done everything, now you can just change the splash screen image. Now open the file and you can just copy this text and you can just add it to your image, and it should be on the png format. Now just replace the file on the resolution folder as you are seeing in the video. Once you finish that, click on build option, click on build apk. Okay friends, now our Android is successfully created. Now you will get the file from the this path length app build output apk debug folder. It should be on this folder, right? Your source code on this folder, right? Now we are going to install this on our mobile phone. I'm installing it, and you can see it's successfully installed, and you can see our app is working. Okay friends, if you have any doubt, you can just ask on the comment box below, or you can contact us on Facebook for creating this website. We will also help you to create this website. Okay, thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel.